Hey everyone. I wanted to share something kind of cool with you. Just kind of a little sneak peek and kind of a little bit about prompt engineering. And I'll share a prompt with you that I use. I kind of came up with the other day, kind of finally solidified what I was looking for on. And it's amazing what different large language models will put out for this. But the truth is, I want to say thank you to Google. I appreciate you guys, miss you all. And Bard with Gemini is actually doing some really cool things. So I'm going to share this here in a second. Let me share my screen. And what makes this so fantastic is quite often people don't know what type of data they're looking for, how a site should be structured, the way it's structured, what have you. So I came up with a prompt that's basically, I'm asking for an entity group, right? It's this very specific term within the whole world of entities and all that good stuff. You'll learn more of that in my course if you ever want to take that. Shameless plug, why not? Anyhow, so you create an entity group for a certain profession. You do your best. Don't make up the term. Match the term that Google is aware of. Don't. If it's an electrician, say electrician. If it's a podiatrist, say a podiatrist. Don't say a foot doctor. Understand? Google may still understand that and still give you good quality content, but try and be very specific and very factual when you create your prompts. The rest of the prompt is for that profession offering whatever their service is and in whatever location. So I have a sample here, and it's about a podiatrist. I live here in Ventura, California. So I'm using this as a sample idea. I'll post this over here. So as you can see, it's creating an entity group for a podiatrist offering diabetic foot care in Ventura, California. And I'm choosing diabetic foot care because that's if I put in diabetic foot, anything to that effect, that's what Google corrects me to. So again, back to Google. Love you guys. So let's output this and see what we get. It gives you a great structure, something positive to follow. First of all, what's the name, the actual place, right? What's going on? Here's the service page. So this is data that you can import into the service page, whether it's in the heading, the introduction. So it's giving you a real good layout and a real feasible thing that you can work with. Like large language models, all of them, some of the data may not be actual, even the terms may not be exact and factual. And as you can see, I got Wildcat JJ running through the house. And anyhow, same thing. Notice it's going the name, blah, 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 blah. But here's what you're looking for. Do they accept new patients? Key information. This is just basic stuff they're looking for, but here it comes. What are the other specialties? Wound care. They have different ways that they can bring these additional terms that are related into that subject matter. So it's semantic, it's related, it's relevant. It gives you can ask it to expand upon these. And I'll give you an example in a second. And so it goes on and on and on. And so it gives it a full example. Main Street. It's funny. Wrong zip code, though. It would be 93001 for that area, anyways. But you see, it's pretty. So watch this. Please expand. And quite often, I find that these big, large, giant prompts gets lost in there. Can't figure out what you're talking about. So it's going through this again. Here we go. Better, 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 better. Further considerations. So now we've got something else. I can say, let's do this. Please. I'm just going to put it in there. Not that I need to tell it to expand or explain. It's not a human being. It's just a robot, so to speak. It's just a program. It can figure out generally what you're trying to do. So obviously brings other things in. Do they work for it? Right on. Let's use another one as an example. This one is about Porsche dealership here locally up in Westlake, California. And that's all they do. They service and sell Porsches. They work on other vehicles too. How you doing, guys? Good to see you. And what you may get, ooh, nice little sample there. That's not what I was looking for. Creating a group for a Porsche technician, offer, how can I rephrase that? A Porsche dealership. That's better. Hi, baby boy. There we go. And actually, that's who they are. Yay, Gemini. Oil changes, other things that they offer, specials, certifications. A lot of this stuff is real. That's pretty amazing. Some good guys over there. Some wonderful, wonderful people. You ought to just go check them out sometime. If you do have a Porsche, go check them out. They really do have good treatment, good care. Get you delivered where you need to go. Swap cars if you need it. Give you loaners, what have you. But yeah. So you can ask it to expand upon these things. And it gives you a good working place. People really don't understand, oh, wow, how should I do a service page? A lot of people that are taking my course currently do a lot of local. And sometimes it's difficult. A lot of the samples I see and get, it's almost like they're just pasting a plain article rather than breaking up in services and what they do and don't do. You can expand upon this, change it, move the prompt around, but it's a good starting point. It's a great starting point. Gosh, what else can I say about this? Nothing. If you want to ever hang out, come join my group. It's facebook.com/SEO training camp. We just come hang out. We drop in these Google Meet links. Again, thanks, guys. These Google Meet links every 24 hours, and we're here all day long. We have people here willing to help out, educate, train. Of course, we're going to promote my course on the advanced stuff and blah, blah, blah. Appreciate your asking about that. But the real truth is it's one of the most friendly communities that you'll find in SEO. I don't allow spamming. No one's doing that. Everyone's just really helpful. And I tried very hard to build a community that way. We're over 2,000 people now in just a couple of months. And some of the most amazing people I've met, big names in the industry, people you've never heard of, people's VAs, and the truth is, there's a lot of valid input, a lot of really good, strong questions that get answered by the smartest people on the planet. I don't know it all. I've never claimed to. I just support the whole concept of being a canonical SEO. You know, what's the right way to do things? Follow Google's guidelines, follow w3.org, just follow documentation. Sure, you can think out the box, but there's other things to do. But in the end, I'm glad you're all here. And I'm going to edit this. See you later.